Hello, YouTube. I believe this is question number 4. We're looking at or number 3, one or the other. We are looking at the distance formula. If I make a mistake, please fix it. You know what to do. Now, before we begin the worksheet, please look at the quick notes. We're going to write down some notes. First of all, the distance formula D is given by y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared, all under something called a square root. This is not a divide. Please do not put the divide sign. This is the square root sign. Thank you so much. The distance provided you have 2 points. And the 2 points are labeled x1, y1, x2, y2. The x is always first. Now back to the activity. This activity is back at the Wild Wonders Amusement Park. If you looked at video number 1, you would know why they say back. Alright, let's read the introduction. It is spring break, and you and your friends are excited to head back to the Wild Wonders Amusement Park. Assume you always take the shortest, most direct path between attractions. Each unit represents a meter. Number 1. You enter the park and realize you are starving. Conveniently, there is a food truck stationed at 0, 0. How far is the food truck from the entrance? Well, this is 0, 0, and that is the food truck. If you want to find linear distance, or distance that is on the line, you can just count the number of boxes between your beginning and the end. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how far is the food truck? It is just 8 meters away. Pretty simple to find distance on a line. 2A. From the food truck, you want to go to the milk jug. Your friends walk straight to the right and then down, and you walk diagonally. Who walks further? How do you know? Well, I'm going to erase the word food truck real quick and pick our point, the food truck. Oh, I hope you are copying this down. You're going from 0, 0 to the milk jug. If your friends go straight to the right, then down, they're going to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So your friends walked 12. You walk diagonally. So from here to the milk jug, how would you find that? If you're looking for diagonal distance, now you use the distance formula. First, you need the 2 points. You have 0, 0, and this is 8, negative 4. Label the points as x1, y1, x2, y2. So then the distance will be distance is equal to the square root of negative 4 minus 0 squared plus 8 minus 0 squared. We are left with 16 plus 64, which will give you square root of, 80. This is approximately 9 if you put that in the calculator. So who walked further? Your friends. How much further? Well, you have to just do 12 minus 9. Let's say 3. Boom. That's how you use the distance formula. Make sure you label your points, you subtract it, and then you square it. What's very, very important is that the numbers here are always positive. I'm not going to go over number 3, but let's go back to the notes. So one more time, the important parts is that when you square numbers, those numbers always become positive. So if you ever have a negative number within the square root, you mess something up in the calculator. Just take off the negative sign and put the positive, add them together, square root it. Now for your check your understanding, this is on you. All you have to do is find the distances on these questions. Make sure you label the points. For instance, x1, y1, x2, y2. Same thing for 4. Should be very simple. All right, sounds good. Please turn this into the sub. Talk to you or me. See ya later.